We have Americans come in, they always ask, like, one of the first things, like, oh, you guys can just drink the tap water here? It's like, yeah, we definitely can. And so I made sure we got the 3 imports drinking tap water.
I guess some of the ways I use water is I drink it. First thing I do is wake up, drink water, try and hydrate myself. Obviously brushing my teeth, splash my toothbrush under there, and then morning shower as well. I shave with an electric razor, so I'm actually not using much water at all.
To treat your water habits like they, mean everything. I think we just small things like we've talked about, showers, turning tap off when you brush your teeth. Like all these things matter and they count up. And if everyone just takes care of themselves, then I think we'll have a better water future.
I think we do a great job of, as a team, we all wash our own laundry, and I think that's something where players can sort of maximise the amount that goes into a load. I think maybe one thing we can improve on is when we travel, sometimes there may be some wasted water, whether it's like in games and practice, if there's leftover in the esky, sometimes that might get wasted, and that's something we could probably be more conscious of.
I think it's important to understand Hobart's very dry, so we don't get a lot of natural rain. Although it seems cold, seems like there's clouds all the time, we don't actually get a lot of rain. So I don't think we have the abundance of water that people think we do. So it's important to conserve and save for future generations and for possible droughts. Who knows what's around the corner.